Hello, this is Not the End Crochet, and tonight I'm going to demonstrate how to do a half double crochet. Now, I already have this on my channel, but this particular one is going to be done for the left hand. Now, what's going to happen is that I'm going to walk you through how to do the half double crochet, and then in editing, I'm going to flip everything so it'll look left-handed. And that's for that playlist, which is entitled For the Left Hand. So let's see here. I got my Practice Central yarn. Find the end. Unravel some of it. If I can get started. Okay. I'm going to make a slip knot. Now, some of these steps I already have demonstrated. So if you need a reference, you're welcome to go back through my lessons or my playlist that's for the left hand and practice with that. But right now I'm just gonna get it to the point that I can do the half double crochet. Slide up a little bit. Do a slip knot. Okay. Make my chain. I think I'm gonna do about 20. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's my chain. Okay, so I'm going to be working in the flat. So that what that means is that I'm going to go back and forward, back and forward. So in order to do that, in order to make that stand up instead of lay down, I need 2 more stitches. 1, 2. Now, a lot of people just do 1 for a half double crochet, but I always do 2. Now, in order to do the half double crochet, I'll go down, yarn over, and I'm going to insert in the 3rd top loop. Yarn over, use my thumb and index finger to hold the post, pull through. That was the half double crochet. How about that? I did it already. Do more. Insert, yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, insert, pull through 3. This yarn is really practice. It is just crappy. But you don't want to know that. Okay. Let's see. Now, if I was really doing something, I would not have started a stitch as thick as the half double crochet on a chain. I would do a single crochet, then come back and do the half double. But this is just for demonstration purposes. So we'll see how it works out. Insert. And see, splitting. Told you about this yarn. Insert. Pull through. I'm going to take it down a little closer so you can be sure and see everything. Okay, that's good. Insert. once you get the hang of things, you can speed up. You can work on your tension. Yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, insert, pull through, insert, pull through, and it's creating a braid on the other side. See that? Okay. And it's always a little cumbersome to begin a project. I don't know why it is. It just is. It's just because there's not enough rows or not enough weight to the yarn as of yet. It's a little tricky. So don't get discouraged. That's normal. Get off some more yarn. And I use the turn yarn loosely. Let's see. Insert. Pull through. Insert. Pull through. Insert. Pull through. Insert. Pull through. Now, don't mind how I'm holding the hook. I'm kind of odd like that. The way I crochet, at least I've been told that my way of crocheting is odd. But, okay, it's split, but no matter. Now, I'm at the end of my row. I'm going to crochet 2 or chain 2, turn my work, and let me pull this out. You can go through under here or the front, which will create a ridge on the front, or I'll go through the back, which is going to create one on the back. Or did I say that backwards? We'll see. Pull it down, tighten it a little bit. And I always go into the first hole. Some don't, they skip, but I always find that leaves the holes, but that's just me. Okay, the back loop, that's where I'm going. Yeah, this yarn really, hopefully it gets the purpose across. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm not quite center with everything. It's a little hard for me to do that, especially this close up, because I'm used to just crocheting and going on. Okay, it's getting a little more easier to handle things because I'm getting more rows. That's just how it works. So don't get frustrated. Just keep working. There we go. That's how you do. Try to center this. That's how you do half double crochet. It creates a ridge when you go back and forth, and when you crochet in the back loop, and it's the opposite on the other side. I'm trying to center everything up. There we go. Hope that helps. Toodles.